CleverFox Weekly Desk Planner combines premium quality and maximum functionality to help you easily track tasks and to-dos all week long. This planning pad comes in A4 format and measures 8.5 by 11 inches, providing lots of writing space to plan every detail. You can choose the layout that fits your environment best with multiple color options available. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM paper that is bleed and smudge resistant, so you can write comfortably using your favorite writing utensils. With 53 undated weekly pages, this desk planner will last a whole year or more. Each weekly page features dedicated sections to set your main goal for the week, record priorities, and list any to-dos you need to complete. Choosing your objectives at the beginning of the week will help you use your time more effectively by focusing on the most crucial tasks first. At the bottom of the page, we've included a daily habit tracker to help you track habits and routines. To do so, list up to 6 routines and set a target number of times you want to complete each one throughout the week. Every time you follow a particular routine, mark it on the tracker. At the end of the week, compare your target and actual results to see how well you did. On the right, you will find a convenient Monday to Sunday layout for planning tasks, appointments, deadlines, and other time-specific engagements. This way, you can plan everything in advance and ensure you forget nothing. Finally, we've added a special area to record anything you need to do the following week. This means you can quickly transfer these tasks to the next page. To do so, simply tear off the page you finished and get to planning. We hope this desk planner will become a helpful accessory in your daily life, helping you stay focused and organized, however busy your life might get. CleverFox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.